Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a link to Instagram Threads profile. So first of all, open Threads app on your mobile device. Then once you come to your Threads profile, just go to the option of Edit Profile. Now over here under Link, tap on the option of Add Link. Now over here you can also import a link from Instagram, but for now I'm going to paste a link over here on this box. Then tap on Done at the top right corner. Then again tap on Done at the top right corner. Now let's wait for some time until the link is being added to your Instagram Threads profile. Now over here you can see the link has been added. So if someone taps open on that link, they will be led to respected pages or accounts profile that you have added the link of. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.